Hey everyone, welcome to Homeschool. Hope everybody are doing good. So here I have come up with an update about the course that I have recently launched for class 10 students. So that is Target 95 course. See, here I have come up with the timetable of the course. Okay, so before I explain about the timetable of a course, so many are asking me how the live classes are going to be, and you have lots of doubts, right? So I have kept a free trial live class in Homeschool application, that is on 4th, that is Saturday. Okay, so Saturday at 7 p.m. Saturday, that is 4th of February, Saturday at 7 p.m. you have a free trial live class. Okay, free trial live class in Homeschool application. Okay, in Homeschool app. So you have to download Homeschool app first. So if you can download, you can join my free trial live class, and this is open for everyone. Those who have purchased the course and those who have not purchased the course yet, it's open for everyone. So there you will come to know how the live class is going to be and how I will be interacting with you all and how I will deliver the concept. Fine. So here in the free trial live class, I am coming up with the light chapter. Okay, so I'll try to solve a very famous question of light chapter. See, one problem you can definitely expect from light chapter for 3 marks, and with the idea that I give, you can solve all types of problems that can come from light chapter. Okay, so this is what I am going to discuss, where it is on Saturday at 7 p.m. Okay, so save the date. It is 4th, that is day after tomorrow, that is Saturday evening at 7 p.m. Don't forget to join in a free trial live class where I'll be sharing some tricks relating to light chapter. Okay, fine. And many are asking me what the timetable going to be. And as I said earlier, the course will start from 6th Feb and it will end by 5th March, I said, no? But suddenly the state preparatories are to be held from 23rd to 1st March, isn't it? So that is why a slight change in a timetable you can observe here. So those days, those 8 days where the preparatories will go on, there I gave a gap, and again I am starting after preparatory, again the course will continue. Okay, if you look at the timetable, you will understand. Look at here, chemistry. So I'm starting up with chemistry. Okay, see, before preparatory I can complete the revision of chemistry and biology, and preparatory 8 days gap, and after preparatory I will start with physics part. Okay, clear everyone? And look at here, it is starting from 6th, no? So first chapter I will deal is periodic classification. See, I will go in a certain order so that to make the concepts easier for you. So periodic classification is very much required to write the chemical formula, to write the chemical equation, and to predict the type of reactions that happens in metals, non-metals, acid, bases. So that's why periodic table is the one that you have to revise first and learn first. Okay, so the very first chapter I will try to revise is the periodic classification of element, which is the smallest chapter, but still the concepts are very important because application question may come from periodic classification of elements. Okay, so this is the first chapter I am revising, and along with whatever activities are involved, everything we will try to revise. Okay, fine. And next 7th I will come up with chemical reactions and equations, 8th acid, bases, salts, 9th metals and non-metals, 10th also metals and non-metals. See here, acid, bases, salts, metal, non-metals, both chapters together we are dealing in 3 days. Okay, so this 10th I didn't keep any chapter because the concept will lag. Both are huge chapters only, so I just kept this 10th for these chapters only. okay. And 11th, carbon and its compounds. And carbon and its compounds also, it's like you need to know certain things in a deeper way. It will take time to tell all those things, okay. And so I kept 2 days for carbon and its compounds, okay. So from 6th to 12th chemistry chapters will be over. And now from 13th to 19th, okay, so you have biology chapters here, 13th and 14th. So we all know in biology the biggest chapter, the time taking chapter is life processes. So for life processes I kept 2 days, okay. And 15th is control coordination. See, control coordination seems to be a bigger chapter, but still, the entire concept we can quickly revise it off, okay. So you will experience that later. 16th, how do organisms reproduce? Very simple chapter, concepts are very simple. 17th, heredity evolution. 18th, sustainable management. And 19th, our environment. Suppose if heredity evolution is taking time, if we could not complete within 1 day, I said the timing is from 7 to 8:30, right? Class will not end by 8:30. It may extend up to 9 also. It depends on the chapter. Suppose if I could not complete heredity evolution in 1 day, it may extend to next day also, okay. So depending on the time slot we can adjust here. Suppose by 19th if our environment is left out, I will carry forward to the physics sessions, okay, fine. But look at here, after 19th, from 20 to 28th, I gave a gap, because in this time slot your state level preparatories will go on in every district, okay. So I don't want you all to get disturbed, so that is the reason I just gave a gap for preparatory exam, okay. And make sure that before preparatory you should be perfect with chemistry and biology, okay. So that in the preparatory exam, chemistry part, bio part, you should definitely get out, okay. If you can follow the rules, tips and tricks that I share, if you properly study that, if you can properly understand, definitely you will get wonderful marks in chemistry and biology, okay. So those who are joining the course and those who have already joined the course, make sure that before preparatory you should become 100% thorough with all chemistry chapters and biology chapters, okay. So now in this gap we cannot do anything, and I don't want to disturb you also. So your state preparatory, that is social studies, is there on 1st, okay. So on 1st social studies exam will be over. So on 1st itself I am starting again with physics part, okay. So physics part will start from 1st March onwards. 1st and 2nd, first I am starting up with light chapter, later human eye, 4th and 5th is electricity, 6th is magnetic effect of electric current, 7th I will deal with sources of energy, 8th, 9th and 10th it's all about the model papers and some typical application questions, okay. And whatever, if I could not complete any small chapter here, that I will carry forward here, okay. So all your doubts and major application questions, whatever extra that I supply, so everything get cleared in these 3 days time slot, okay. So this is the timetable that you were asking, right? So this is how the timetable is. So you can just refer this, and if you are okay, you can join. And again I'm telling you, if you have a zero knowledge in science, this is not a course. If you are already very good at science, somewhere you don't have a confidence, or you want to improve your concepts, you want to remember difficult concepts in a better way, you want to revise the whole thing in one shot, only for those children it will help you. So please, if you have zero knowledge, please don't take this course. And if you want to experience the live class, how it is going to be, do join with me on Saturday, that is 4th evening at 7 p.m. okay, in homeschool application. So I am not coming live in a YouTube, I am coming live in homeschool application, because all these live classes I will deal through homeschool application only. So download homeschool application before Saturday, okay. And evening 7 o'clock you can join me in a live class, Okay, so that is all about I wanted to tell you. All the best, keep learning.